Hello. Hello. I am Alicia Richard and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the ultimate place where I talk all about locks, lifestyle, and a little bit about love. So in today's video, I will be talking all about the reasons why you should not let nobody talk you out of getting your locks. And I have so many different reasons why. So if you see me looking at my iPad, it's only because I have my notes written down of the reasons why you should not let nobody tell you what type of locks that you should select for your own hair journey. So let's hop right on into this video. When you are thinking about your hair journey, always remember that it is all about your individual experience. Each of us have an experience with hair, right? I know with me, I've had so many different experiences with hairstylists and even myself, because a lot of times I would always say that I want to do like these DIY projects that would include braiding my hair myself, that would include twisting my hair, crocheting my hair. I did so many different styles myself, and I actually saw that it was a disadvantage in always trying to do a DIY project, especially when it came to my hair. So when I decided that I wanted Sisterlocks, one of the main things that I did was I wanted to consult a professional stylist, because I always say all the time, like, your hair is your glory. And from all of the personal experiences that I've had, I finally decided that I did not want Sisterlocks to be a journey that I went on myself. Plus, the way that it's actually done is a little complicated to me, although I can do Sisterlocks. So I just felt like hiring a professional, someone else to care for my hair, was almost like a thing of like self-care, right? Because we all like to just kind of just be nurtured sometimes, or just kind of just catered to. And I felt like that was just a personal experience for me that allowed me to finally not think about anything else when it came to my hair. And if I wanted to do a simple style, that was fine, but I left all of that up to my loctician. So when it comes to making the decision and letting other people make the decision for you, because someone else may say, no girl, that is not a good idea, do not let anybody deter you from making the decision about your hair, because again, we all have our own personal experiences, right? So always just remember that it's you decide on what you want. That brings me to this. Sisterlocks is like a sense of empowerment. Like, how many times have you seen another sister, not just with Sisterlocks, but it's also traditional locks or micro locks or even tiny locks? How many times have you seen someone and said, oh my gosh, I totally love their hair, right? And then a lot of times you may want to just come to them and ask them about their journey, ask them, who do they go to? I get these conversations all of the time. Like, all of the time, if I'm in the grocery store or going somewhere, people are always asking me about my hair. So to me, that is a sense of empowerment. Empowerment in a way of, I am rocking my own hair. I am embracing who I am, right? I am really an own hair in regards of, hey, even if you have lock extensions, girl, that is your business, okay? That is your business. But ultimately, this is you. Like, it is such an empowering feeling to know that when you are going and when you walk into a room, that you may not look like anybody else. And that brings me to my next point. The uniqueness, the versatility, and the carefree life is everything. Girlfriend, when I tell you that you are choosing a new lifestyle, a new way of thinking, a new way of being, is totally like, OMG, worth it all. So when it comes to your Sisterlocks, when it comes to your journey, you should always think about what is best for you and not so much about what others may think. So there's also long-term benefits as well. So when you are thinking, oh my gosh, should I get this style and will I like this style? And the answer is actually yes, because there are so many long-term benefits when it comes to not really having to manipulate your hair as much, because now you have locks. So you pretty much have to go and get a retightening about every 4 weeks, sometimes 6 weeks, but anything past 6 weeks, you're really, really pushing it. So the long terms is there's no more products that you would have to add to your hair. Remember, I know I've seen a lot of times on social media where they are saying that a lot of the weaves have a lot of like chemicals in them and actually can cause cancer. So I think that you should really consider what type of hair that you are putting in your hair. And that comes to the glues. Not to say that it's bad for anybody, but I'm just saying when it comes to making your own personal decision, consider, do you still want to invest in glues or wigs or different weaves that are in your hair? Or do you finally want to say, you know what, I am going to embrace my hair the way it is, and that is it. So that brings me to the point of really do not care what others may think. Now, the cultural significance. When it comes to the cultural significance of Sisterlocks, of course, like, and I'll do another video on this when it comes to, like the way that Sisterlocks were formed, but all of that isn't coming to my head right now, right? But when it comes to the cultural experience, being able to have locks is like a natural, your hair is typically really natural, right? It's just bonded into these locks and formed, right? With the Sisterlock grid, with, whether you have really, really, like, it just depends on your hair texture and your style. So when it comes to the culture, like the African American culture, being a Black woman, that brings me to the empowerment that this style actually allows us to have a sense of belongingness too, right? Because a lot of times it really just feels like when we're looking, at like certain social media platforms, it's almost like, oh my gosh, like there's no one that could relate. There's no one that I could look to that has the same type of hairstyle that I have. And with all of that, that can bring a little friction, right? When it comes to your confidence as a woman. So I would definitely say that keeping all of those things in mind when you have your Sisterlocks is so important, that you keep that in mind of making your decision. Okay, the next thing that you got to realize is that there's going to be a little negativity. There's going to be a lot of negativity when it comes to this decision. So you have to decide yourself if you are going to, like embrace the negativity that is around it. Because some of the people may say, girl, you don't have no money for that. You don't have no time for that. The wait is extremely long. And they may come with a list of things and why you should not get these locks. Do not let anybody determine your fate, right? That's just like telling your vision to someone else. Don't let anybody deter you from the business that you want to start. Don't let anybody deter you from, the person who you are or even want to become. And that is even with the hair. I spoke with someone a few weeks ago and they said that they too were looking into the Sisterlock style, but the reason why they didn't choose Sisterlocks when they did is because so many people told them no. So many people told them it wasn't a good idea. So many people told them, oh my gosh, if you get this hairstyle, it costs too much. You got to sit a long time. There's no versatility. They told her, she said, oh my gosh, Alicia, I waited 5 years before I got the style. And she said, now that I have the style, she said, I feel so free. She said, I feel like I'm in control of my life again. And that's what locks brings. When you are on this journey, you are going to feel like you are free. You are going to feel like you are now in control of your life because you are no longer bound to what society may think, may feel, or how they may respond to you in your hair journey. So think about some of these things, right? And if you continue to let other people decide your fate, if you continue to let other people decide your hair, if you continue to let other people decide what you are going to do, then my question is, what is left for you? What is left for you? Because everybody done told you no. Everybody done gave you reasons why you shouldn't do it, why you should do it. Everybody gave you so many reasons why. And my question is, what is left for you? What are you going to decide? So at the end of the day, you have to make up in your mind that this is your life. And of course, there's that YOLO. You only live once. So keep that in mind. This is your experience, your hair, your life, your decision, your money. What anybody else may say should not deter you from making this amazing decision. So again, I want to say to my girlfriend, welcome to this amazing sisterhood. And I hope that you are brave enough. I hope that you think of yourself highly enough to say this is something that you want to commit to. This is something that you're going to make the choice to. And this is something that you are going to say yes to. Because saying yes to this one decision can tremendously change your life. And it's not just about the hair, but it's about all of the other things that comes with the changes in your hair. Again, we always talk about how your lifestyle will change, right? We always talk about how your prayer life can change. We always talk about that mental clarity that comes with the changes that you are actually making. So this is not just about your hair, girlfriend. This is about your mind, your body, your soul, and even your business. All of these different areas can be impacted because you are no longer feeling the stress of having the decisions of your hair. So again, don't let nobody turn you around. Don't you let nobody turn you around. Don't you let nobody turn you around. You just keep your feet on higher ground. You just keep your feet on higher ground. All right, so that is all I have to say for today. Don't let anyone turn you around. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if it is somewhat blinking or something, I don't know what is going on, but I'm still going to upload this video anyway and add like some very interesting B-roll. Again, thank you so much for watching. Remember that it is your hair, it is your decision, and do not let anybody deter you from making this amazing decision. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.